Hi again, YouTube. Well, here we are back out in the shop, and today I want to do just a quick product review. I started using my Kreg ACS bench as a building table, assembly table, sanding table, basically a workbench. And so I got some clamps to be able to clamp materials down, and I'm just doing a quick review on those. And I'm not really doing an unboxing, I just want to show you that they come very well packaged. Without any damage at all. They are nice heavy, they're very solid material. I think stainless steel and brass, very well made. They fit the ACS holes perfectly. These are for 3/4. They fit absolutely perfectly. They actually fit better than the Kreg. The Kreg gets stuck in the holes, but these come in lift out just easy. Drop right in and come right out. And I've gone ahead and added little furniture pads to the end of these. So these are dogs that come with them. And I've added furniture pads to these dogs. And that just gives me a little bit of secure working surface. And they actually work very, very well. Let's see, I got this little piece of wood here. So yeah, it doesn't go anywhere. They work so well. Just gets things up off the table and gives me makes it easy to work on. And they come with a little socket wrench for tightening and loosening, and they work very nicely. So yeah, anyway, and just flip the socket around depending on whether you're tightening or loosening. Comes with the set I've got. Comes with 2 clamps and 4 dogs. Oops. And let's see, I'll just grab a piece of wood and throw it on the bench here and just show you how well they work. Just give me a sec. Let's see, I don't have my tripod in, so I'm working one-handed. So let's go. And then we need to come up to the next hole, because obviously I'm too close. So you can run that out by hand before you put it in. Dum-da-dum-da-dum. Just about there. And like I said, it comes in a set, 2 clamps and 4 dogs. At least that's what I ordered. You can also order it as 4 dogs, 4 dogs, 4 clamps and no dogs. And then just depending on which way you want to go, whether you're tightening or loosening. That's it, just like that. Work really well. And they're low profile, so they stay below a piece of 3/4, so you can sand off the edge of it. Same with the dogs, nice low profile. And I love the rubber pads on top. Those are just furniture feet pads, and they work great. And then to loosen it, you just flip your wrench around the other direction and back it off. And they send you 1 wrench per dog, or per clamp. So you've got an extra wrench if you lose one or break one. And I am quite pleased with these. The listing on Amazon shows a stamp up here, but obviously these don't have the stamp. But they're fine. They're an excellent product. So that's it. I will put links down below in the description, and I hope you'll like and subscribe. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. And I did forget to mention that the ones I got for the ACS table, these are 3/4. They are also available in 20 millimeter. So either or, but the Craig is 3/4, and like I said, these fit the Craig bench even better than the Craig dogs do. The Craig dogs are just too tight. Those little ones I have to get from underneath. But there it is. Thanks, guys.